Is probably why this is here. But hey, you know, I'm pushing 30 and it's starting to catch up to me, so I need to get on track. Guys, welcome back to BeautyWithTy. So it is January and yes, I'm ready to start a new journey. No need for me to explain, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw this out there. I know I'm not big. I know I don't need to lose weight. However, I do have goals that I want to reach. Like that is to see visible abs as well as to have a bigger and rounder butt. And then I just want to be an overall healthy person, period. So those are my two goals, but my ideal weight is to be around 150, 155. And right here, I was 165.2. So that was my start weight before everything. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you guys what my body looks like as like a 360. And then I'm going to also give you my measurements. And this is the beginning of week 1. So this is what my body looks like from the front. This is the side. That tummy, y'all. I know it's small, but it's annoying. This is the back. Okay, so my measurements. As far as my measurements, I like to measure my stomach in 2 places. I like to measure it above my belly button, 32.5. Okay, and below my belly button where my stomach comes out the most. And my stomach is a 34.5. And I like to measure my butt. My butt is kind of tricky because I have hips and I have like hip dips. Like my sides go in and then they come out. Put that right in the middle. See? Well, almost 40s, like 39.5. And you guys, I do wear waist beads. It's not for weight loss or anything like that. It's just for fashion, but it does keep you aware of your weight because as I lose weight, my beads will drop. See? Drop. Roll up with weight. But, alright guys. We can do this. Yay! Okay y'all, so this is everything that I got for my first week. I will be meal prepping. I am trying to start off strong. So overall, this is what I'm going to be doing. I will be drinking a gallon of water a day, just adding 1 lemon to a gallon. So drinking lemon water, you know, throughout the day. And then for breakfast, I will have fruit. I'm choosing either an apple or orange. And then for lunch, I will have a salad, and with my salads I am choosing either to add cucumbers or these small little grape tomatoes, and then I'm going to add some carrots. So that's my salad. And then for dinner I will be having a meat in 2 sides. I will be doing baked lemon pepper fish with broccoli and spinach. So yeah, this is everything that I have, and I will be putting red peppers and green peppers in my spinach. And I also have like a little avocado or in some ginger. I might add that in somewhere, I don't know, I just bought it. So that's what I'm doing. I got me some little Tupperware. I got this from Walmart. It was like $2 for 5 of them, you know, so I can meal prep, and got me some foil for when I do my fish. But all of this, my total was $51, and this should be enough for 1 week. So yeah guys, so y'all do it with me because I don't want to do it alone, and let's help each other. And if y'all help me, I can help you guys, and we can all be motivated and be ready to get this body right for 2019 and for a lifetime. Alright guys. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like. I have my broccoli, my baked lemon pepper fish, and my spinach with green peppers, onions, and red peppers. So this is what I'm going to eat on for the next 5 days. Alright, let's get to it. Okay guys, so quick update. Look at my body, and look at there. Look at this stomach. Y'all see my stomach went down? Like, seriously? Y'all, I'm so excited. Look at my beads. They just keep rolling just rolling down. And already, without me even taking my measurements or telling you how much I weigh, you can already see a difference in my stomach. Like, look at this, just from the waist beads, because 7 days ago, sis, my waist beads were up here. Now they're like in the middle of my belly button. And y'all look, I can even kind of like flex and see some abs. Look, y'all see the little abs trying to come? All right, so let me hurry up and take my measurements right quick. All right, so really quick, above my belly button is 30 inches. Wow. All right, let's see. And below my belly button is 32. And my butt, oh my God, it's like 39.25. Let me go ahead and tell y'all everything. So last week I was 165.2, and this week I'm 161.1. So I've lost 4 pounds and some change, whatever. And what I did was just, I drank water all last week, a gallon of water. I kind of slacked up Thursday and Friday, you know, to be honest. And I did meal prep. I ate my food all 5 days. I ate my fruit, I ate my salad, then I ate my fish and my veggies. The only thing different I'm going to do this week is try to stay consistent with my water, finish my gallon of water a day, as well as I'm not going to meal prep for 5 days. I probably just meal prep for like 2 or 3 days at a time, because 5 was a little too much. I got bored and I found myself just eating fruit when I got hungry or bored. So I just eat fruit. So I'm going to try to switch it up and only meal prep for like 2 days or 3 days at a time. But that's the only thing different I'm going to do. I'm still going to go to the gym for an hour a day. I'm only saying I'm going to do Monday through Friday. However, like last week I did Monday through Sunday. Go me. And I'll come back and let you guys know next week what the progress is. But this is it, guys. This is where I'm at. Front. Side. Look at that. Where my stomach go, yo? Where my stomach? Back. What? Oh my God. All this come from just me eating more healthy and me working out an hour a day. And so yeah, y'all go ahead and click that notification bell so that you can know when I post a new video. So yeah, I'm so excited. Look at my results. Look at my stomach. Look at my stomach. Look at that. Abs coming through. Y'all see them abs? See, I'm trying to flex my abs. Ooh, abs. Look at that side. Look at that. In my back, you can even kind of see a little bit of the back fat. A little bit of my back rolls have went away. So hype. You guys, make sure y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to try this. If you want to do like I do. If not, do whatever you want to do. You know, whatever. Again, I drank a gallon of water, fruit, salad, a meat, and 2 veggies at night. And I worked out for an hour a day. And I got results within 7 days. The thing is consistency. Consistency is key, and I always thought that I can maybe just work out and not eat right, but no, like you really gotta eat right. All right, guys. Y'all join the wave with me, because time to get these abs that's starting to come through.